This is a trade plan for May 3rd, 2024. So after the jobs report, there was this breakout of the overnight range, and heading into it, we had an uptrend yesterday, and then a balance and a good structural breakout above the Fed high, and then we hit larger time frame resistance into the report, and as of right now, the buyers are in control on the day time frame. The short-term time frame is still neutral, and the intermediate time frame is still neutral bearish. So the odds of this zone holding, even though it's second test, is still pretty good, and then pushing up, that would be breaking this. This is a bias confirming zone. So the intraday bias would be bullish, and I think the intermediate term bias would still be unchanged, but then up here you've got another bias changing zone, and then here I have a bias confirming zone. Awais seems to have it a little lower than me, so he might have the intermediate term bias adjust here. I'm not really sure there, but to me the intermediate term bias is not going to adjust to neutral until above 92. And on the downside, a retracement into the Fed high and the overnight high. This is still pretty aggressive location, given that we've gone from the bottom of the balance to the top of the balance. But if there was some indication that this was still pretty strong, this could be a good zone. But this is a much better zone. This is the bias changing zone for on the intraday, and then this is the bias confirming zone on the intraday. So either of these zones would be good areas for longs. And I think that's about it. The volume's running well. The news is out of the way. The market is kind of free to trade here, and the range extreme is up at 209. So heading up into these higher resistance areas, we could get rotation. It's Friday, so looking to be a little more selective with trades, and just a little more careful depending on how the volume acts.